Just by doing this, it's going to dramatically change the way you talk. It's going to dramatically change the way you show up. I call it record and review. First step. Record a video of yourself speaking for 5 minutes and just talk, but it has to be impromptu. Leave it for a day. Then when you watch it back, you review it in 3 different ways. The first time, so you record it on your phone. You turn the sound all the way up, press play, turn your phone over, just listen. Here you're doing an auditory review. You'll be able to take so many notes and you'll be able to hear things you've never been able to hear before because most people avoid filming themselves. The next step, turn your phone back around, you turn the sound and put it on mute, you press play and you just look at yourself. All of a sudden now you'll see things you don't normally see. Oh wow, I'm swiveling a lot on my chair. I don't use my hand gestures. Oh wow, I'll put my hands behind my back. Then afterwards, don't listen to it and don't watch it. Get it transcribed. This transcription is immediately going to reveal to you all of your auditory clutter. You'll see a whole bunch of non-functional behaviors that you've never seen before because you've avoided it and also because you have this idea in your head that you're stuck. You're not. It's just a series of behaviors.